Volkswagen has fused stretched dimensions and fastback design into the sexy, spacious 5-passenger Arteon sedan. When it goes on sale in summer 2018, power will be supplied by a 268 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 mated to an 8-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive and 18-inch wheels are standard with all-wheel drive and 19-inch wheels available. VW will also offer its new digital cockpit, which replaces the main instrument panel with a configurable display on SEL and executive trims. As American buyers continue to snap up a veritable deluge of new crossovers, it seems that a car company would have to be either clueless or desperate to introduce an all-new sedan, especially into a niche like the one that the Volkswagen Arteon will occupy. Alas, VW's US operation is struggling to sell a dated lineup while trying to make everyone forget Dieselgate. The stylish Arteon will do little to address these problems. That's the job of the Atlas and the Tiguan, VW's dynamic duo of new crossovers, but at least when the Arteon replaces the CC a year from now, it will give VW customers something to gawk at in the showroom while they wait on the F&I guide. The Arteon's best face is quite literally that, a peak-like mug that looks as if it could grace a new Scirocco rather than a largish sedan to sit above the pass-at in VW's lineup. The Arteon's hood is ridiculously low for such a car, rising to just below the waist for its projected average buyer, a 53-year-old college-educated man, according to VW. And it's actually a clamshell hood, stretching as it is from one side of the 73.7-inch wide car to the other. The rest of the Arteon's four-door coupe styling achieves the sleek look of the old CC for a tough fastback design with fat haunches and a quasi-camtail hatchback. Creature features. VW appears to be hopeful that an extensive list of available features, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, will justify the Arteon sticker, although it's unlikely the headlights that use GPS data to direct their beams around corners will be offered in the States. The company's new 8.0-inch infotainment screen comes standard, and its supplementary digital cockpit, a concept borrowed from Audi that replaces the main gauges with a huge TFT screen, is an option. This sort of equipment is getting to be standard issue on cars even a full class below midsize, which poses a growing problem for would-be premium brands trying to wedge products above the mass market and below luxury purveyors, even as brands such as Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz push down market. While VW officials posit that the new Arteon is aimed at poaching customers from the last two, the reality of the US market would indicate otherwise. There's still a year to go before VW launches the car here next summer, so some of this could change. Maybe VW will decide to lift the suspension an inch and add some cladding and an Outback badge to make it a crossover coupe. Probably not, with only one obvious analog in the upcoming Buick Regal Sportback, though the Arteon is sure to succeed in giving mainstream buyers an interesting alternative.